is a great high chair for an infant or a toddler. It comes with this great carrying bag with a strap, so you can carry it around with you in and out of restaurants or to sporting events. We use this all the time for our daughter. It comes with a tray, and then the chair itself folds out just like a regular camping chair. So it folds on out just like this. There's a buckle here that you can buckle your child in. The tray just snaps right on, and you can unsnap it. There's little levers on the side to unsnap it, fold it around. To secure it to a chair, you can secure it with the buckle in the back, wrap it around the back of a chair, and then wrap it around the bottom of a chair with the other buckle. Now, if the chair is a little bit narrower or doesn't quite, like the wobbles on it and you don't have a good footing, it does come with these adapters to help with that. So these you can just put on, there's 4 of them. All you do is you just slide them on the bottom here to make your little footprint just a little bit wider to have a little bit stronger base. So I don't have to use those very often, but they are there for when you are at a restaurant where the chair might need something like that. Overall, we've really enjoyed this. This part does come off and you can throw it in your laundry. We've had this specific one for over 5 years and it has held up great. Highly recommend it to any mom, any new mom. It is definitely something you want to use as you're going to different restaurants or sporting events or just anywhere where your kiddo's going to want to have a seat.